SOLIDWORKS PDM allows you to manage drop-down menus, but the use of cascading drop-down menus is not possible. With the DynamicList utility, we will be able to set up and use cascading drop-down menus very easily. Just name the dynamic menu you wish to create, add a label, and select the source file. You can then enter the variables to be filled in via the dynamic menu and give each a friendly display name. It is also possible to set read-only or editable fields. In the data card, it is enough to create a button that calls the label of the dynamic menu, as well as fields with variables as defined in DynamicList. To use this, just select a file, click on the DynamicList button. If the file needs to be checked out because the variables are not free, DynamicList automatically asks you to check out the file. The drop-down menus are automatically calculated by the previous menu selections. When you click OK, the fields on the data card are filled in by DynamicList.